Hi to all of you, welcome to another video. In this video I am going to guide you how to trade and make daily basis 1%. Only 1%, no more than this. As you guys can see, here is my balance 252. Okay, 20,000 leave it. 252. So I am going to make only 1%, which is equal to $250. Okay, first we'll do what? The stake we will here into the bear market. We will choose bear market index. Okay, and rise fall trade type, start time duration now, ticks will be 1, stake will be 10. You want to increase, then we will go back there. Now the main point, focus on this thing, this one. Okay, make sure you go to smart trader. Okay, this is the smart trader. Now what to do? Each time, focus there. Each time a bear appear, mean red dot appear, go for fall. Okay, till now it's green. When a red dot appear, we will go for sell. Okay, look here is a red dot, it's mean we will go for sell. Our trade is profit, we made $10. Now let's move back, close this, change the strategy, as we made $10. Now let's move to the match and differs. In this, last digit prediction will be based on, go to last digit states, choose number 25 and see when a number which is 0 like this, the 2 went to 0, and now see 1 is went to 0. Immediately you will go for last digit prediction 1 and immediately go for digit differ. Don't delay. Okay, if you go with delay you will lose. So we won 96 cents here. Now simple, go and change the strategy to over under. Okay, in this you have to focus on the number bar here. Okay, the number bar, when the last number is 11 or 00 or 100 or 1111 or 22 or 11 or 11 in last, you will go for digit hour. Look here, now let's go straight forward to digit hour. We see in the last digit 111 and we went for a buy and contract is 1. So till now we made almost $13. Now go for even odd. So for this we need to check the digit stage. Look here, digit state, each number is maximum. Look here, the 20 is maximum, 24. So in this you guys will be able to check the percentage which number is rounding there. The most common is odd or even. Even mean 13579, odd mean 2468. Okay, so odd is less than even. So even is too much, so we will go for digit even. Okay, so we will purchase digit even. See here, now we also made the profit on this. So this is how actually it works, and we make profit using this random strategies. Okay, practice this first, and after practice you guys be able to make some good profit using this strategy. Hope you guys understood. If still have any question, type in the comments, I will reply and also guide you in next video. Okay, Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, like and share with others.